Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix verification codes cannot be sent to this phone number at this time. All right, so let's begin with the video. This issue usually appears when you are trying to sign into your Apple ID, reset your password, or turn on two-factor authentication. The first thing you should do is wait for a short time before trying again. If you request too many verification codes in a short period, Apple may temporarily block new codes for security reasons. Wait at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then try sending the code again. Avoid pressing the resend button repeatedly because that can extend the block. Next, make sure your iPhone can actually receive text messages. Check that your signal is strong, your SIM card is active, and your number can receive normal SMS messages. If needed, restart your iPhone or remove and reinsert your SIM card. Then try again. After that, open your Apple ID settings and confirm that your phone number is listed as a trusted number. If the number is missing, outdated, or linked incorrectly, Apple may not be able to send the verification code. Update the number if necessary, and make sure you are using the correct Apple ID email. You should also check whether Apple's servers are working properly. Open Safari and search for Apple system status. If Apple ID or iMessage shows a yellow or red warning, the issue is on Apple's side, and you'll need to wait until the service returns to normal. If you have another Apple device signed in with the same Apple ID, use it as an alternate verification method. The verification code may appear automatically on your trusted iPhone, iPad, or Mac, even if your phone number is not receiving SMS codes. Finally, if the problem continues for a long time, remove the trusted phone number from your Apple ID settings and add it again. This refreshes the verification settings and can help fix the issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix verification codes cannot be sent to this phone number at this time. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.